Good evening, everyone. I'm Megan Laris Valdivia, representing the City of Smiles, Bacolod City.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Felicia Aldana, proudly representing Bacoor City, Cavite.
Maayong gabi. I am Roxy Baines from Baguio City.
Mabuhay! I'm Kathleen Dale Casañas, representing Bohol. Maayong gabi, I'm Princess Rana Hernandez, proudly representing Cabanatuan City and the Filipino Society of Alberta, Canada.
Maayong gabi, Osamis City. I am Erica G. Kalaylay from Cavite. Jensen Manansala Kanya, representing Cavite Province.
Maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Ako rin ay si April Smith from Cebu City.
Mayang gabi sa inyong tanan. I'm Nicole Borromeo, representing Cebu Province.
Maayong gabi, Ascenso, Misamis Occidental. Ako di ay si Clarissa Marie Angelina Gambalan Westrom, gikan sa probinsya sa Cotabato.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Tyler J. Cudino, representing Las Marinas City.
ay si Trexie Paris Rojas, representing Iligan City.
Aloha kako, naimbag na gabi, and maayong gabi. I'm Sharif Lian Capayor, representing Ilocos Norte and the Filipino Society of Hawaii.
Maayong gabi sa inyong matanan. I am Zesta Shalun Capawan Espinosa, representing Iloilo City.
Maayong gabi sa inyong matanan. Ako ay Smigling Tigers Lutay, representing Iloilo Province.
Mabuhay, Misamis Occidental. I am Isabel Cecilia Alvarez Prats from the province of Laguna.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako po si Abigail Kutsar, representing Las Piñas City and Filipino Society of Florida. Pabuhay po kami lahat.
Mabuhay! Ako po si Bea Milian Miborski, proudly representing La Union. Daghang salamat po!
Maupay na gabi, maayong gabi. I am Carol May Laniba Cabaho, gikan sa probinsya kan Leyte.
Maayong gabi, Osamis City. Ako po si Scarlett Endemesa, representing Los Baños, Laguna.
My name is Ashley Subihana Montenegro from the humble municipality of Luciana, Laguna.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako po si Justine Beatriz Calazarda, representing Manila.
Ascenso Misamis Occidental. I am Laina Yubilay Monteroyodo from the Mountain Province.
Thank you. representing Muntinlupa.
Mayong gabi kaninyong tanan. I am Alexandria Colmenares from Negros Occidental.
Maayong gabi ug daghang salamat sa pagdawat namo diri sa Osamis. I'm Maria Fatima Alsoya, gikan sa probinsya sa Negros Oriental.
Good afternoon, I am Michelle Tantoka Bachel, representing Nueva Ecija and the Filipino Society of the United Kingdom.
Maayong gabi, ako si Jacqueline Jaya Alanay, Miss Nueva Vizcaya and the Filipino Society of Washington State.
Mabuhay Misamis, Neil Silva, mula sa probinsya ng Occidental, Mindoro.
Maayong gabi. I am Abiona Elizabeth Das from Palawan.
Maayong gabi, I am Alison Arceo Hetland, representing Pampanga.
Maayong gabi, I'm Donna Ring Nugit, representing Pangasinan.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arya Pauline Galvez, representing Parañaque and the Filipino Society of Los Angeles.
Maayong gabi, I am Kristen Marcelino, representing Pateros.
Maayong gabi po sa inyong tanan. Maraming salamat po for having us. This is Patricia L. Evangelista, representing Quezon Province and the Filipino Society of Australia.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. I am Alicia Chelsea Pangilinan Buendia, representing Rizal and the Filipino Society of Southern
California.
Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. This is Rose Ann Carino Albania, representing San Carlos City, Province of Pangasinan.
Maayong gabi. My name is Jake Noel Mansaya, representing San Jose Negros Oriental and the Filipino Society of Bellevue, Washington.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rachel Hannah Dolmeva Gozum, representing Santo Tomas La Union and the Filipino Society of Seattle, Washington. Mayong gabi kaninyong tinan. Ako dahil si Nicole Cruz, representing Sarangani Province and the Filipino Society of West Asia. Padayon sa Taglambo, Misamis. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Brother Rose Tatuao, representing Province of Southern Leyte.
Mayong gabi. I'm Jenny Rose Javier from the province of Sultan Kudarat.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Juliana Hope Aquino, and I'm representing the Alba Donkas in the Filipino Society of Northern California.
Mangupay na gabi. My name is Jacqueline Sampson Goldrajani, Tacloban City.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Isabella Rojas Ismael, representing Taguig.
Marajaw na duyong everyone. This is Crystal May Correos from Tandac City, Surigao del Sur. Mabuhay po! Ako po si Maria de la Cruz Arellano mula sa probinsya ng Tarlac.
Good evening to each and everyone. I am Maria Janica Francine Aquino, City of Tagaytay.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 50 phenomenal and ravishing
casting delegates of Miss Universe Philippines